This is a Washita Oilstone. It is lapped and chamfered on both sides. It is 8 7/32 of an inch long by 2 1/8 of an inch wide by 29/32 of an inch thick. Specific gravity calculated by a submersion method is 2.4186. Stone passes light. And it also was a pike. Fortunately, the back label was just oily jelly, but I managed to salvage the end label and some of the side label, but it's incredibly fragile and almost illegible. Given the color, it may well have been labeled rosy red, but who knows? This has been oil stripped for a very long time as well, so this is the color of this stone. So anyway, these come in between photographic paper, so they hopefully stay intact, and there's this Washita. Thanks.